Well, three prominent organizations in Metro Detroit are working together by hosting their first ever self-care conference.
Yes, Amy, the event will focus on mental health, and the keynote speaker, actor Michael Ealy, is speaking with me one-on-one on why the topic is very personal for him.
The way I was raised, it is more important to give back to your community and to use your voice.
Before he arrives in Detroit this upcoming Monday for the self-care conference, keynote speaker and actor Michael Ealy is opening up about mental health. He believes the topic should become more of a foundation rather than a fear.
It's okay to talk to somebody, to get help, to seek help, because right now we're living in, one of the craziest times of history. I mean, there's just so many things that are going on right now. It's hard to quiet your brain and focus on much of anything.
Growing up in the Baptist church community, Ealy did not always think of therapy as a necessity until he met the love of his life.
I remember telling my wife that, we were just dating. She wanted me to go to couples counseling, and I was like, I'll just pray for you.
I'll say a prayer for you, Lord.
I'll say a prayer for you. You know what I mean? But I'm good. I don't need to tell anybody my problems.
Mm-hmm.
And so, I think after the first session, I was like, wow, I am totally open to coming back. Can you take me tomorrow? There was a lot of trauma that happened to her. And, as somebody who didn't have a lot of trauma, I needed therapy to kind of bring us together so I could understand where she was coming from.
The self-care conference is a collaboration of DWIHN Integrated Health Network, the NFL Alumni Detroit chapter, and the sports marketing agency to deliver a message of hope, along with looking at everyone and everything they have experienced during the pandemic.
Our partners over there, Sean Jordan and his team, we've had Romeo Aquara, we've had Herman Moore, and we feel like Michael Ealy, we've heard him speak about his personal experiences in relationship to the topic. So, why not?
I always respect what the people at SMA are doing. And, I'm going to approach this from the perspective of self-care, because I have learned just how important that is from other actor friends of mine who have introduced me to techniques and things that I can do to try and help quiet the brain and try and, soothe the soul. In a lot of ways, my body is a vessel. And at the same time, if you don't take care of that, like anything else in life, your body and your mind, if you don't take care of them, you can't take care of anyone else.
Again, the self-care conference is this upcoming Monday, September 27th at the International Banquet and Conference Center in downtown Detroit. It will run from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. and will also include yoga and acupuncture. For more information on how to register, go to DWCtraining.com. We'll also have the information on our website, fox2detroit.com.
I love this, Josh. Great job. And I love how we have gone from breaking the stigma around talking about mental health and suicide to what you actually need to do, all of us, to take care of ourselves if we are having, situations with our mental health or before we get to that point. So this can be for prevention or, natural remedies to solve all that stress and things you have pent up inside.
Well said, Amy. And I really like what Michael Ealy said in our interview. You have to make it part of the foundation having this conversation versus a fear or a stigma. Make it part of the normal, everyday conversing with each other.
Yeah, good work.
Thank you, Amy. Alan, good work to you, because this rain is gone.
Yeah, we need it to be out.